Today, we're focusing on flooring specifications for wineries and distilleries, environments where the flooring has to work hard against chemical exposure, heavy traffic, and strict safety requirements. Let's talk through some of the key elements to consider when specifying in these spaces. First up, chemical resistance. Floors in wineries and distilleries face constant exposure to acids, sugars, cleaning agents, and other corrosive substances. These can quickly degrade or stain a standard surface, so it's critical to specify a flooring system with exceptional chemical resistance that protects the substrate and keeps the surface looking clean and hygienic for years. This is especially important in production areas where spills and residues are part of daily operations. Trafficability is another major consideration. These floors need to handle constant movement, from staff on foot, forklifts navigating tight spaces, trolleys rolling barrels, and heavy equipment in processing and storage zones. That means the system must have high mechanical strength and abrasion resistance to avoid damage or wear patterns that could compromise safety or performance. Slip resistance is also vital. Wet floors and spill-prone areas like fermentation rooms, washdown zones, and loading docks create hazards that need managing. Incorporating a slip-resistant finish is essential to reduce the risk of slips and falls, especially in areas where foot traffic is heavy and conditions can get slippery. So what systems do we typically recommend in these environments? EPO 100cc Chemicoat Matrix is often the go-to for production and processing areas. It delivers outstanding resistance to acids and cleaning chemicals while standing up to continuous mechanical traffic. The slip-resistant finish can be tailored to the space and safety requirements, ensuring a practical and safe working surface. Cut and coat systems offer a cost-effective and quick installation solution, especially suited for upgrading existing concrete in good condition. This system provides solid protection against both chemical attack and mechanical wear, making it a reliable option for parts of the facility that don't face the harshest exposure but still need something hard wearing. For zones with heavy mechanical stress and liquid exposure, think barrel halls, processing lines, or large warehouse areas, the Matrix system is ideal. It's built for long-term durability, requiring minimal maintenance while coping with the demanding conditions of a winery or distillery environment. Another important aspect to consider is line marking. Using EPO 100L line marking allows for clear definition of walkways, forklift zones, storage areas, and hazard zones. This improves workflow efficiency and helps maintain safety compliance across the facility. When specifying flooring for wineries and distilleries, each zone will have its own needs, and the right flooring system keeps the operation running smoothly and safely while protecting your investment for the long haul. That's all for this week's episode, but if you need any help on your next project specification, give us a call or drop a comment below. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.